Bird gates under guard. Not what excited residents and tourists expected, but with understanding.
I feel so disappointed, Nick, because I came all the way from Bishop. I was taking out the kids, because I heard there's a splash here, and then we are also like on holiday.
I feel a bit disappointed because we drove far to come to this place, and now it's cancelled, so there is a little bit of disappointment within us.
The organizers acted in the interest of safety, but the line-up for the next 3 days remain. This festival is also a boost for local artists post-COVID-19.
In excess of 900 individual human beings that benefit from working at this festival. Our staff complement is large. When you look at the entire value chain through the food vendors, the artists and so on, there are a lot of people that benefit. While the investment from the city is 3.5 million rand, you find that in total economic impact of the event is north of 10 to 12 million rand.
The Nelson Mandela Bay municipality invested 3.5 million into this year's festival, more than 15% of the budget focused on boosting local talent. Anda Ngonji, SABC News, Gqeberha.